Has it ever happened with you that any of your loved one, maybe your spouse or your parents or your children, have suddenly stopped talking, suddenly become quiet? They always were very talkative, and then suddenly there's a silence that you feel that they don't no more complain to you, or they no more come and share themselves with you. I mean, anything that you say, they're just quiet and they just are listening to it, and there's no reply also at times, or they are not kind of giving any inputs to you. You know the reason? So, people who have been close to you, who've been really loving you all this while, have now got used to tolerance. They've become so tolerant towards all that you've been saying or all that you've been taking from them, that now that silence has emerged. And there's absolutely no way anymore that they want to fight with you or argue or try to make you understand themselves. But now they are at a point where it's just acceptance, tolerance, and that's it. My dear friends, we should not let our loved ones get into that state of mind. It's always good that they talk back, that if you're saying something wrong, they argue with you, they fight it out and finish it. Your relationship will be absolutely healthy if it is that way. But if this silence comes in your relationship, that means that there is absolutely no understanding, and it's gone to a level of tolerance where there is no more way or no more cushion left for that comfort and that love to be there anymore. So please give this a thought, and if there is a mistake that has happened from your end, we're humans at the end of the day. All that you need to do is just accept it. It's okay. We can do things wrong, but there are three things to doing mistakes. One is acceptance, second is realization, third is correction. So if you want a healthy and a loving relationship, if there are mistakes, no worries, accept it, realize it, and move on, and just get over it. Do share this video with every person that you feel needs to know this, needs to understand this, and needs to have that relationship going. Let me know how this thought helped with you, and do subscribe to my channel for more such happiness and positivity updates. Bye.